This is live, right? Hey everybody, this is Eric and Brock from Harley-Davidson and Carroll here. We got a few things going on in the shop. We thought we'd show you a couple of them. Brock, what do we got going on with this thing here?
Well, I was taking the tow package off, and I got to take the wiring harness off as well. And this was just one big, like,
wiring mess.
yeah. I started stripping it off, and then we were like, hey, we got to do a video on this because
That's not how wiring should look.
no.
We don't turn anything out of the shop that looks like that.
No, and actually underneath all this tape is just, the wires are just twisted together, and then the tape's just, here, let's see if I can,
Yep.
and they shouldn't come apart that easy at all.
Basically what we're saying is we don't like wiring messes like this on motorcycles, no matter what you're wiring up. So if you're going to do anything like that, bring it down to us. Let us do it the right way. That just creates electrical nightmares. So again, get those bikes out, bring them down to us. We'll take care of them.